For the beginners out there, they are trying to get their hands into investment just at the beginning, this would be helpful for you. It's 2024 right now, and the number of people getting their hands into investments is ever increasing. According to Forbes.com, a study published by Charles Schwab, just in COVID 2020, there's a 15% increase in retail investors. And in 2022 itself, in the first 6 months alone, on average, 1.3 billion is flowing to stocks market every single day. Investments is here to stay. And I think more people are getting smarter and getting more informed in this financial market. Investment itself is a time-tested way to leverage and make more money, but of course, it can also go the other way around. So I decided to do up a beginner's guide to investment psychology. Here's a lecture that I did for my team, and I'll cut a small part out just for this video. There's a cheat sheet that I got from Wall Street that I can share with you guys. Hopefully, it can help you guys understand how investment feels like and on investment psychology. Here it is. Now, the emotions. Let's play a game. Let me bring you through a ride of how to stay objective. So now the market is like that. Do you buy or do you not buy? Keep the answer to yourself. Let's see what happens. Now it goes up. What do you do? If you bought it, will you sell it here to take profit? If you never buy it before, will you buy it here? Next, it goes up. Now coming down a bit. If you bought it here and you sold it to take profit here, now it's here. Will you buy again? If you never buy here and you buy here, you reach here, what do you do? Take profit or hold? If you never buy here, what do you do? Bam, go down. What's in your head? You buy here, if you hold all the way, back to zero, bro. What do you do next? If you bought it here or here or here, you lose money. Or if you buy here, you sold here, take profit. Never buy, boom. Here again, you thought, reach to the previous low already, I'll buy again. Will you? You reach here? How? Here? How? And here? How? The graph we're looking at is the index Nasdaq. Okay, and this is from 993 all the way to 2006 around here. From the high of 4003, drop all the way down 2627.4 to 1672.6. It's a 61.1% drop. And this drop lasted for a period of 6 years. Meaning if you buy here, 6 years later you still lose money. If you bought in 1998 here, to here you make a bit of money only. How? The emotions. Right? Some will say, hold for the long term. Trust me, most people you ask and they say hold for long term. Two things. Either they really hold long term, or because they're losing money. Then they won't pay, they need to hold. You know what I mean? Majority of the time, most traders or investors, retailers, second one. Okay, so the emotions that you feel. Recap what you go through when I play the game with you. Imagine yourself, you have the patience to hold for 6 years until you make a profit again. Can you? Next, discipline. Are you disciplined enough to know what you are doing? That, stick to the plan. Or will you one day, then you change something else? Last one, confidence. You sure or you not sure? If you follow a friend say, 6 years later, you still confident or you're not confident? What's going through your mind? Skill set. Do you know what you're doing or you just follow, which affects the rest of the above? If you know what you're doing, then you have confidence. Interest. Do you have the interest to put in the time to watch a chart, read the news, to learn new skills, to really put yourself to it? Do you have the interest? And knowledge. Do you have what it takes? So what you saw just now is the year 2000 dot-com bubble crash, where it went all the way up and bam, go down. And this is, example, Yahoo share. It went up 1,500% and it went down straight 93% flat. Even 2016, then recovered. You realize the chart of this, and this is the same as what? This is called the Wall Street cheat sheet. Psychology of a market cycle. Meaning every cycle, here and here, same as yourself, is exactly what investors are feeling. Take note, you never see the background first. You will hear, maybe. Here you hope. Here you feel them show. Go all the way up, euphoria, When you come down here, you thought, there's a retracement, you'll go back higher one. When you come here, you're a bit scared. Really? You start to doubt yourself. When you reach here, maybe you want to convince, because got a small V, a rebound. Now good companies will come back already. Boom, come down, panic, scared. And you get angry, depression, you scared, disbelief, and return here. So this is a very, very real example of our emotions. Maybe you will say easy because you're like, simple bro, I feel okay. Because I put money.
Imagine in your account it's like $500,000. You can't say that's it, bro. It's very, very tough. Now just imagine you're paying $500,000. The feeling is very, very, very different. That's the same for our clients as well. You need to put in the work to know what you're doing so that the emotions are removed. Okay, so again, by the internet investor, Benjamin Graham is the teacher of Warren Buffett. He mentioned, the school teacher asked Billy Bob, if you have 12 sheep and one jump over the fence, how many sheep do you have left? The boy answered, none. The teacher scolded him, you sure don't know subtraction? He replied, maybe not, but I damn sure know my sheeps. Meaning, majority of investors are 80% of the investors in the world really don't know what they're doing. They just try and never play a bit, can get, never get, never mind. They're just following the crowd. Think about it. COVID, everybody beside you are investment. If you recall, there's a period of time, stocks were very sexy. Then reach a point where crypto sexy. Then when the whole thing crashed last year at 2022, you listen, quiet, bro, nobody, no one said about investment, very quiet. You don't want to be that follow the mass person. You will drown, you will die. And the student, right, Warren Buffett here, you are dealing with a lot of silly people in the market. It's like a great big casino and everyone else is boozing. If you can stick with Pepsi, you'll be fine.
So here are some of the key takeaways. Number one, like what Warren Buffett mentioned, you want to be greedy when everybody is fearful, and be fearful when everyone is greedy. Of course, granted, you have done your own due diligence in your research and the fundamental analysis, right? Thanks. Secondarily, you want to be able to follow through your strategies of why you want to invest. But of course, market changes every day. We are never 100% correct. So have that gap for you to be a bit more agile in adapting to situations. So I do hope this video is good for you to understand certain emotions that you go through in investing, and I'll see you the next time.